Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my homemade no-bake Oreo cookie bar. So let's get started. A 13 by 9 pan. So I have 25 Oreos that I'll place in my food processor along with 1 stick of melted butter. This is a no-bake, so it's simple and easy. I also have 1 package of cream cheese at room temperature. It's 8 ounces. So now I'll place my Oreo cookies in the food processor to crush up, and then I'll pour in the butter. Now I'll pour the butter down here. This is going to be the base of my Oreo cookie bars. So now I'll take this and put it in my 9 by 13 pan, flatten it out. So now I have it in my 9 by 13 baking pan. I'll take this, flatten it all out on the bottom. I have my Oreos in my 9 by 13 baking pan. Now I'll spread it out on the bottom, and this is going to be the base. I'm wearing a glove to flatten it out. I added 10 more Oreos with 2 tablespoons of butter so that I can fill in this spot. Now what you'll do is you place this in your fridge for about a half an hour. You want this to firm up, so into the fridge it goes. I have my cream cheese in my bowl. I cut it up so I can mix it quicker. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'll add that in. To a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now I'll mix this. You want to mix it until it's well combined. Now that that's well combined, I'll place this off to the side. In the same bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and mix it until it forms a stiff peak. Once it forms a stiff peak, then I'll add the cream cheese mixture and I'll fold in some crushed Oreos. I'll just break the Oreos up into little pieces and I'll fold that in. Almost there. That's perfect. So now I'll turn my mixer off. Now I'll take my cream cheese mixture and fold it into the whipped cream and then cut up some cookies and put the Oreo cookies inside. I'll fold the Oreo cookies in. Now that the cream cheese is blended with the whipped cream, I'll take some Oreos, break them up, and then fold the Oreos in. I'll probably start out with about 10, and I'll see how good just 10 of them are. So here are my 10 Oreos that I just broke into little pieces. I'll fold it in. I broke up 10 more Oreos into little pieces. You can see it here. And then I folded that in. So now I'll take my Oreo crust out of the fridge. It's been 30 minutes. And I'll put this on top. You can see this firmed up beautifully. So now I'll take my mixture and put it on top. And what you want to do is just flatten it out and spread it across the Oreo crust. And this is what it will look like. So now I'll place this back into the fridge for another 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So now I'll crush some more Oreos and put those crumbs on top. I placed 20 Oreos in my food processor. So now I crushed up these 20 Oreos and I'll place them on top, and then I'll place this back into my fridge for a couple hours until it firms up. And these are my Oreo cookie bars. They're really, really good. Quick and easy too. Just spread the Oreo crumble on top. Make sure everything's covered. All that cream cheese and whipped cream. Kind of pat it down. I didn't add no butter to this, just crumbled up the cookies. Now into the fridge it goes. It's been a couple hours, so now I took my Oreo cookie bar out of the fridge. It firmed up beautifully. So now I'll take a slice. I'll give it a try. Look at how good that looks. So you can just pick it up. I'll give it a try. It's delicious. Really, really good. Mia's gonna love this because she loves Oreos. Look at how good that looks. These Oreo cookie bars are really good. Quick and easy to make too. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make this no-bake Oreo cookie bar. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.